Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to connect Cloudflare to Infinityfree. It's very easy guys. First what you do is you go to dash.cloudflare.com and you create a new account, or you can log into your existing one, and then you come here and add a site. So you click on the blue button here, okay, at the top. So you can do this here at the top, or you can click on the blue button right here. And what you do is you go to the domain registrar of your domain, and you change the name server to the one provided by Cloudflare. Okay, so after you go ahead and do that, you change the name service with your domain registrar. You go ahead and click the check button at the bottom of the page, and it could take up to 24 or 72 hours for Cloudflare to detect the change. And once the name servers are verified, what you do is you go to the DNS section of the dashboard, and in the DNS section, you click on the blue add record button. Let me go ahead and show you. This is zoomed in. You come here and click on this button, okay? So you come here and click on DNS, and then you click on add record right there, right? And then what you do is you go ahead and choose the A record type. And in the new tab, what I want you to do is go to dash.xfinityfree.com and log in if you haven't already. Then select the hosting account you want to add Cloudflare for. Locate the IP address, okay? And usually this is done for you by Cloudflare. And then what you do is you copy the IP address from the client area. Okay, there you go. This is the website IP, and you use it to create the following records. So record 1, the type, set it to A, content, the @ symbol, and a name, you put the IP address you found right here. Same thing, record 2, A, but make sure this is www. Okay, the IP address as well. And this is what it should look like. As you can see right here, this is just an example, and they just double check that it looks like that. And if there's anything wrong, just go back a few steps, see what you missed. If it all looks good, if it looks the same, your site should actually start working within 72 hours. And if it goes over that time and if it still does not work, try clearing your cache. Okay, if that doesn't work, what you need to do is create a new topic in the hosting support category and try again. So I hope this guide helps, and if it did, consider smashing that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.